I will testify about Hemuhim. Kasi po, I am a teacher and I was a former OFW and I just came back to the Philippines last year. Pero with all those years po na nasa China ako, I was in Beijing when I was an OFW. Hindi po natatanggal yung aking sipon. So it seems like I'm always catching a cold. But even though I don't have a cold, but yeah, it seems like I'm always catching a cold or maybe I'm going to sneeze. I sneeze a lot. So last year po, even when I came back here to the Philippines, it seems like that until I need to have a general check-up. Pero luckily, before my general check-up, I met Atomy already. Okay, so actually Atomy was introduced to me by Miss Arlene even before the pandemic. What? Okay. So, kaso nga lang po, I didn't continue. And maybe we lack communication. But then, last year, yun na naman. So, nagpatuloy po uli with her encouragement na magpatuloy po ako. And then, I started using the products. And then, yun nga po, I need to have a general check-up. But of course, I don't want to fail the medical exam, right? Kasi mahal din po yung ating medical examination. So, what I did is, I used Hemuhim for maybe 10 days. So every day I use Hemuhim. So of course, I know it does a lot of things in our health, lalo na po sa immune system. And of course, I passed the physical exam. And since that time po, nawala na yung mga sipon-sipon ko. So, pati po yung kapag napapagod ka, para kang lalagnatin sa pagod. Well, meron na rin po akong edad. Okay? So, but because of Hemuhim po, lumakas po talaga yung immune system ko. Nawala yung mga hatching, nawala yung mga, pati po, thank you so much. And pati po yung mga allergy. Kasi po, lagi ako na-allergy din po pag may yung mga pollens. I was allergic to pollens. But now, I can be anywhere under the tree. Okay? At isa po pong testimony is about my father. So, isang araw po, umuwi po yung aking father na para pong hinang-hina from work. My father is a taxi driver. So, that time, it was a very hot day, one summer. Hinang-hina po siya. And then the next day, he doesn't want to go to work anymore because of yun nga po, matamlay talaga siya. So I told my father, Pa, you drink this Hemuhim. So, kahit po hinang-hina siya, sige, inom ng Hemuhim. At sinamahan na rin po namin ng vitamin C. Yon, vitamin C. So after 3 days po, nakabalik po yung lakas ng tatay ko because of Hemuhim. Okay, yun po. And thank you so much. And another testimony po yung friend ko na pinainom ko rin siya ng Hemuhim dahil mataas yung sugar niya, yung high blood pressure. So sabi ko, sige, anuin mo to, subukan mo to. And then, just that week nung pinainom ko sa kanya yung Hemuhim, and she didn't take it every day. Parang one after one day, and then the other skip, and then the other day. But then, she really noticed na yung sugar niya po is bumaba talaga yung sugar niya. So, yun po ang aking testimony with Hemuhim. Marami pa pong iba, pero ibibigay ko po muna sa iba. Next time po ulit. Thank you so much.